Today on Excite Video Magazine, we ride along in this Laurel and an R32 eats it.
Oh. Holy shit.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Dustin Mankin, and we are getting ready to go for a ride along in this Nissan Laurel. Before we do that, let's check out the car. The straightforwardness on the engine bay mirrors the no frills yet beautiful exterior. You can tell this SR is not stock at all, yet it still remains somewhat factory looking. The intercooler is a high mount type, allowing the shortest routing of the piping. The radiator, while not aluminum, is thicker than stock and connected with silicone radiator hoses. You can also see the oil filter relocation kit that hints at an oil cooler setup as well as a fuel pressure regulator. On the other side, we have an aftermarket power steering reservoir and an engine damper. Between that and the Cusco OS tower bar, we see an exhaust manifold, but I couldn't get a shot of the turbo. The line was long, so there was a little time to joke around while we waited, but soon we were ready to go. Our friend in the R32, he just ate it into some tires.ジャッキーすいません。みんなに言っちゃあげたらかなと。上がりそうですけどね。いけそうな感じですけどね。これ危ないですよね。ここはちょっと危ないんで。
誰かタイヤ引っこ抜いて。はい。せーの。はい、いけそういけそう。もう一本。あと一本。これバックでいける気がする。あ、なんかジャッキ持ってきてもらってますけど。もう一本おるんすか？フロント上げて。あとはバックで上げれば。
We're back. We're back. Time to run, maybe. Taking an overheat break. Try to let the car cool down a bit. a hell of a ride along. Everything just happened in this video. Maybe this was the most awesome ride along that I've had yet. Oh man, that was great. Poor dude's R32, we're gonna have to go check that out. You can see just how many cars were here today. If you like this video, please like and share because that helps me. But if you want to do something for yourself, go ahead and subscribe. That always has been, that always will be for you. That's just so you can see the latest videos coming from Japan. Let's park and catch up with our friend in the Skyline.